If your Etsy listings look like this, you're leaving money on the table. Buyers don't just buy designs, they buy the vision. They want to see your art on a wall, your poster in a frame, your print in a real space. And most sellers think you need Photoshop to create that. You don't. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to create professional product mockups for your Etsy shop right in your browser.
No Photoshop, no design skills, and super fast. Let me show you how.
This is Scaylr. It's a free mockup generator that runs entirely in your browser. You give it a mockup template, a PSD file, and your design images, and it automatically places your designs into the template and exports finished mockups. Ready for your listings. No software to install, no account required. Your files never leave your computer. And it works on Mac, Windows, and Linux. Let me walk you through the whole process, step by step. First, you need a Photoshop mockup template. Scaylr has a free template library built right in. You can browse by category: posters, mugs, t-shirts, and more. I'll grab this poster frame template. It's a clean oak frame on a living room wall, perfect for wall art or printable sellers. You can also upload your own PSD templates if you have them. Any PSD file with a smart object layer will work. Here is a bonus tip for you. To find more free Photoshop mockups, just search Free Poster Mockup PSD on sites like Freepik, Graphic Burger, or Pixidin. Next, upload your designs. These are the images you want placed inside the mockup. Your art, your posters, your printable designs, whatever you sell. I'll upload a few at once. You can see them all listed here, ready to go. One thing to notice: you can choose how each design fits inside the template. Fit keeps the full design visible. Fill crops it to fill the frame. Stretch will make sure the whole poster is visible, even if that means it will distort the image slightly. You may need to do some testing if you don't know what size the smart object on your Photoshop file is, but it won't take too long to figure it out. Scaylr Library has the aspect ratio written in the template's details page. You can choose whether to sort the poster by design or by template. The default is by design, which will be used in most cases. If you have one Photoshop file with multiple designs, you may want to select Group by Template, so it groups them all in one folder. Now hit Generate. Scaylr processes each design through the template automatically. You can see the progress right here. The entire process is running on your browser, which means the speed the mockups are being generated will depend on the speed of your browser. You can even open a second browser and do multiple jobs at the same time. However, if you are working on an older machine, it may not be the best idea. And there we go. Each design has been placed into the poster frame with proper perspective and lighting. It looks like a professional product photo. This is what your Etsy listing could look like. Compare that to a flat Canva mockup. There's really no contest. To download, just click the download button on any mockup. You can save them as PNG for the highest quality, or JPEG if you want smaller file sizes. But this has to be selected before you hit the generate button. If you generated multiple mockups, you can also download them at once as a zip file per design, or in most cases, download all the generated mockups. Really useful when you're updating a whole lot of mockups. And that's it, from design file to listing ready mockup in under a minute. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions, or go try it yourself. There is a free option, and no card is required.